vanadium ratio is holding steady at 4%, right within tolerance.
Excellent. Send it through for stamping.
The delta E is holding steady at 0.3.
Well within tolerance. The satin finish looks consistent across the batch.
Monitor the peak temperature in zone 3. We had a brief spike there. Yeah, I see it. It stabilized quickly, remaining within the acceptable delta.
The electrochemical signature on channel 12 is anomalous.
Flag it for quarantine immediately.
Technicians integrate the 48MP fusion sensor and the 5X tetraprism module. Robotic dispensing arms apply UV adhesive.
Using vacuum tip tweezers, the antenna flex is precisely routed and connected to the RF module. The completed unit
Check the calibration data on station 12.
Looks good. Moving to verification. At the display station, a calibrated photometer measures peak brightness and color gamut, ensuring flawless performance before moving to the camera and Face ID verification. The titanium chassis undergoes rigorous accelerated durability testing, including extreme thermal cycling and deep submersion to ensure IP68 compliance.
The press applies the iPhone 17 Pro Max packaging graphics layer by layer.